Second. Okay, here we are. Day number 4 in the afternoon now here in La Mirada. As you can tell, we started this on Monday. It's now Thursday. The job is complete. It's a little bit past 2 o'clock or so, roughly. Earlier we saw how the hallway is done. Here's the kitchen. When we started this entire room was just one big old tiled floor with a few open spots. The spots were repaired, tile was removed, and you can see it installed this beautiful hickory flooring. This came out almost perfect. Well, it actually came out really perfect. I wasn't sure how this was going to turn out, but it turned out amazing. I like it a lot. Homeowner's going to be very happy with this look. In fact, they've been looking at it for the last couple of days, and they've had nothing but good things to say about it. Well, another good job done.